OMG. This is the longest video series ever. I'm coming. There we go. Last time when we left our heroes, we were putting this door closer together. We got it all the way full. And we're putting our number 3 Phillips head screw back in the top. And we're tightening it down. Beautiful. I'm gonna level out this door closer. I'm gonna put an arm on it. And if you notice, it's gonna have tension one way, but not the other. You'll be like, oh my God, I messed up my door closer. No, you didn't. It's just part of the process. We're gonna have to put that middle bolt back in, and that's gonna give us tension the other way. So I'm gonna go grab it real quick. Stay right there. Back. All right, you're gonna kick it off to about, I don't know if this was 12 o'clock right here, kick it off to about 11. It's your 1/4-inch T-handle Allen screw. You know, put your bolt right on the end of it. You're gonna feed it through right at the end of the tube until you kind of feel it over on the other, on the T. There we go. Kind of see my hand moving over here. That means it's touching. And then I'm gonna, and if you see this, it's gonna magically start to move. And what you're gonna want to do is find that neutral position and that cycles where it's tight on the pivot. And it will take some practice and some, oh, I got this wrong, but it has play. Less, bam, ball's tight right there. If you do it more, it's gonna have slop. If you do it less, it's gonna have slop. Should be lined up right in the middle of that door closer. Flat head all the way down on the valves. Do not over tighten them, please. I mean, you can if you want, but alright, it's gonna kick in the hold open. Then we're gonna kick it out hold open, and it's either gonna go fling and go off, or it's gonna catch check. Oh, we did a good job. It's doing its job. There it goes. So proud. And it's gonna hit, boom, into latching. And these have all the time hold open, so it's gonna kick in the hold open and then out. Well, I suppose we could do it this way, and it would. And it should catch tension almost immediately and not have any hesitation. That's what I want to call it. Anyway, thanks for hanging in there. It was a long video series, but have a good one. Bye.